What's the main difference between single phase and three phase installation? Main difference, the difference. Difference. Because if a three phase circuit is different thing from a single phase circuit. What do you mean? What do you mean difference, sir?
Single phase come with a neutral.
Yeah.
And three phase come with trees.
Yeah.
And
then right. Alright, so the single phase, let's say come with just a neutral and what?
neutral and 110.
Two phase wire, right? Neutral, right?
Three phase carry light.
And the three phase carry what? Three wire one neutral, right?
Neutral.
Alright. So with the three phase now, there are two way of connecting it, right? It's either a star or what? But the other one, a delta, right? So if you have a three phase supply, right, and you have a 190 leg in that three phase supply, right? Where would you put the 190 leg in the distribution panel? Coming from in the middle, right?
Yeah, red, yellow, blue.
Red, yellow, blue. Meter socket, where you put the 190 leg?
Meter socket, you put it on the left side.
Eh?
Left side.
Left side or right side? All right, fair enough. Right side. Fair enough, you get that, right? So the neutral, so the current color code for a three phase system is what?
Current
Color code.
red, yellow, blue.
Red?
Or brown, grey, blue.
All right. Well, I can see. Yeah. Well, I can see your reading and I waiting there. You have a good way for go. I like your spirit. Right? I like. You feel. I like. All right. Anyway, yeah, I feel it. So safety measure now. What are some of the safety measures you carry out now as an electrician? Say a youngster come with you first year now. What is some safety measure supposed to take on them safety guarantee like?
Protective boots.
Yeah.
Helmet.
Yeah.
Can't wear your face as well.
Yeah. So what? You're for protect your first thing, you know. Yeah. All right. So where the equipment concerned now, where major mistake when you're using the equipment like the ladder, scaffolding and things like that, and so forth. We're supposed to take protecting. Because you're going up, say you're going up, you have a picture light at the pole and things like that. You have to tell it. What kind of measures supposed to take, safety measure, before you go on the letter?
So that everything is safe and secure.
Secure. Yeah. Well, the first thing, where you ensure the leather is tied up at the top, right? And somebody at the bottom, you hold him, and you angle the leather properly, right? Scaffold, right? So scaffold over here, you make sure you have a barrier around it and things like that, right? All right, yeah. All right. Caution, tape and so forth, right? So, right? Yeah. All right. So,
for instance,
yeah. So, wait them to know. I will get it now. Yeah. Say, you're going to know connect a circuit. You're going to connect a circuit. What is the sequence in your connect that light circuit? What is the sequence you use? You're going to connect a light circuit. You're going to connect a circuit. What is the sequence? In terms of earth, the phase and the neutral. What's the sequence? There's a sequence in a correct sequence. At first.
connect the light first.
Eh? You sure? No, watch me now. See what's thinking about. Say I connect the earth, the neutral. Watch me now. I connect the earth first, the neutral I live. Correct where you connect. You're going to disconnect now, you do. Where you disconnect first?
Yeah, but disconnect the light first.
Then what?
Then the neutral.
All right. Because remember now, come back with safety that I talk about now. Because the earth is the safety way, you know. Right? And the neutral, you can't afford to make the neutral fall. You make the neutral open. Right? So I remember, you have a think like this. Say if I let you think about it, I don't get fed. I'm going to dead. I'm going to kill himself. Right? That's right. Yeah. Well, anyway, so this group, on the pass, we go through, and say, go forward. But if we continue now and do the level 3, go on the page, we have a whole part, the Jamaica Master Alliance page. We have a whole part market about it, and that's the information. You can go find it and learn, right? So it was good talking to you. All right.